Hi all, my name is Arjun. Today I'm going to show you one example using the fixed LOD functions in Tableau. So here is the final the calculated table here. So I have used country and regions, that's a parameter. So I use it to geographical regions, and then what I'm doing here is I'm counting the function opportunities, counting the opportunity IDs which has sales greater than $35. So for each country at country level and at region level. So for this I have used a data set. This is an Excel data source. So what it does is I have opportunity IDs and I have country and region here, and then sales. So suppose for Austria, if you see, there is only one Austria, and then the sales is greater than 37, that is why it's showing 1. So Denmark, if you see, it's 22, there's no other Denmark, and that is why it shows 0. So Germany, again it's 1, and this is 40, and again Germany, this is also 16, right? There is no other Germany, right? Okay, this way one is count of opportunity IDs. Suppose if I go at region level, so this is also again count based on the opportunity IDs. If you look at the data here, the opportunity IDs are same for country, two different countries, but it falls under one same region. So for north, and the same opportunity ID but a different country names. So it works fine when you use the count functions, it works fine. But in region level, north, here if you see 17 and 27, so based on the condition 35, we are taking $35, it will show false value here. But I want to show this number also, like if this the sum of the two is greater than, because it's already greater than 35, you see, these two are makes 44, right? Yeah, so it's greater than 35. So I want to write a calculation in such a way that if it is the region 11, then you should sum it up and take that. But if you look at the other cases, those are fine. Even here also, here it should be fine. It will make 904. So this is based on my calculations on the method using the fixed formula. But this is like normal calculated field. So this is just take a count distinct. This take a count distincts of for the north opportunity IDs. In that case, it shows only 4. But if you see using the fixed function, it shows the 5. So if you see into the Excel for north, suppose the first one north, this is okay 1, and another one is also fine 1, and then if you come here, this is if you combine it, then it should be 3 for north greater than $35, and then if you here also 4, and then if you come to the next one, because these two are same, okay 4, and then these two opportunities are the same. Suppose if I look to this north, yes, these also 4, 5, and if you come here, it's 22. It's not correct. So 5 should be the actual count. But if you look at the normal calculated field, it shows 4. Okay, so that is why how you can arrive at using the fixed function, how you can get the exact number here. So I'll show you that. So first I'll take a new sheet, and I'll go to the one more data source. I have already created the select geo parameter. I'll just show you how I created it. I'll use the same. So select geo string I have used and taken country and region. In string I have taken country and region. Okay. So next I'm going to create one more calculated field called region/country So I'm using a case function here. Case select geo when region, then it should show regions. When country, then country, right? Just that. Okay, make this calculated field and I will drag it here. Okay, select geo, show parameter at region level. So now I'm going to create the calculated field. Going to create a calculated field, count of opportunity ID. Okay, so how I'm going to write is I'm going to first write a fixed formula. Fixed I'm going to fix first the opportunity ID, and then sum of sales. So what is my requirement is here, let's say in this Excel, so if there is a multiple opportunity IDs, right? So when I select the region, I need to fix this and then take the sum of the sales of this, right? So 17 plus 24, in this formula it will take the 17 plus 24. But when you select only the country, there will be only one opportunity ID, so it will show only the 27 numbers will come. But when you go to select geo as region, then it should sum up this, fix this opportunity ID and take the sum of sales of that. Okay. So another thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fix this region and country also. Okay. So yeah, this is, so now I'm going to write if this is greater than 35 now, then 1 end. Okay. I'm just dragging. Okay, I need to write a count D function. Okay. So what it does now is, if the fixed opportunity and region, this sum of sales, it should be greater than 35, then give 1, else null or 0, end. So count distinct of this. So I'm going to take a count distinct of this. Just drag it here. Okay, something like that. Fixed opportunity region, this country, sum of sales. Then 1. You write like this, count. Yeah, count. Okay, because I have given here, because I'm writing as 1, right? So in that case, it works like, suppose if I take opportunity IDs, then I should write count D. Correct. Okay, got it. So reason being, in the earlier I cannot write count D function, because I'm giving then if the condition is true, then write 1. If I take count distinction of number 1, again it will give only 1, right? Suppose if I take an opportunity, then you should give an opportunity. If I take the count D of opportunity, then there will be multiple opportunities will come, and if you take count D, you will get the exact number. Okay, so if you give 1, then you have to give this count function in, or else if you are using opportunity, then use count D functions. Okay, so now if I go at, suppose if you look central now, these are all 1 and this is also fine. Okay, let me central is 4, right? So 1, then this should be makes 2, okay, these and these are same, so 1 and 2 here, and then 3 here, and then 4. You got it, right? This opportunity area and this opportunity area are same, so sum of it will make definitely more than 35. Even here also, if you see, sum of it will make more than 35, right? Okay, so 5 we already checked in the previous north. Here it will this is again, because this was if you take individually it won't match, it's matching. If when you do it sum, it is matching the value. So yes, and then if you take at country level, this will be fine again. United Kingdom, if you see, or if you see, let's say France or United Kingdom only. So United Kingdom is showing 3, 1, this is not there, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, but these are same numbers again. Okay, that's why 3. Okay, and if you check in the normally, how do I check is like written calculation 2, right? So here if count D, like sales is greater than 35, then opportunity, and in this way we have to test it, and it is showing just 4 numbers. So that's why I use the fixed function to arrive at the number. So I hope what I have shown in this video you have understood, and thank you for watching.